G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today, for summer, we're making a sangria.
The punch has been spiked!
This recipe calls for spiced rum, triple sec, Spanish wine, gingered beer, fresh lemon, some oranges, and some apples. Grab a container to put everything into. If you can get a big punch bowl, even better. I'm going to use the blender today. But first, grab your fruit, peel it, and chop it up. Add 1 shot per person of spiced rum, 1 shot per person of triple sec, a generous amount of red wine, add your fruit, and top up with ginger beer. You can serve it into a glass if you want. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.